Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be making fried tilapia curry. I have my whole clean tilapia. I cut horizontally into the fish so that the flavors can absorb well. I proceed to season the fish with salt and black pepper. I only use salt and black pepper at this stage because we are deep frying and we wouldn't want to lose all the flavor. I make sure that both sides are well seasoned and gently rub the seasoning into the fish. I then add a generous amount of vegetable oil into my pan. I use a toothpick to check the temperature of the oil. Then I add my whole fish and let each side cook for about 10 minutes. You know the fish is ready when it starts turning golden brown, which is a huge disaster. I'm glad that both I and the fish survived. When the fish is ready, remove it and put it in a paper towel to drain excess oil. Then in a pan, add your red onion and spring onion. Once cooked and fragrant, add your peeled tomatoes and let it simmer for some time. Next up, add your seasoning. We have curry powder, some fish masala, ginger, cloves, cayenne pepper, and 2 bay leaves. Give them a good stir and then go ahead and cover your dish for the flavors to mix in well. I went ahead and added some Royco to give it good flavor. I then added hot boiling water bit by bit until I was satisfied with the consistency of the curry. I forgot to add my cinnamon. Once everything is well cooked, I scoop some of the curry into a plastic container. I place my fish into the curry, then pour some over the fish. Guys, look at how beautiful that is. The aroma in this kitchen is amazing. I add some Dhania as my garnish and then I let it simmer for about 5 minutes. When your friend calls you and you're about to feast. I served my tilapia with ugali and some greens.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes. Look at you.
That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.